Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser distance measurers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Klein Tools Laser Distance Measure. This compact and rugged tool is perfect for professionals and DIYers who need reliable measurements on any project. It measures distances from 2 inches to 100 feet, with precision up to plus or minus 1/16 inch for the first 30 feet, and plus or minus 1/8 inch up to 100 feet. The reverse contrast LCD display ensures visibility in low light conditions, and its one-button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. The design is sleek yet durable, featuring a pocket clip for portability, and it's protected by a water-resistant IP54 rated shell. Its continuous measurement mode and last measurement comparison feature are handy for quick and repetitive tasks. One downside is the slightly limited measuring range compared to some competitors, but for a lightweight and straightforward tool, it gets the job done. This laser measure is ideal for smaller projects or quick measurements in construction, renovation, or home improvement. While it lacks some advanced features like area or volume calculations, its simplicity and reliability make it a solid pick. If you're looking for a no-frills device that fits right into your pocket, Klein Tools has you covered. Coming in at number 4 is the DTAP Laser Distance Meter, an affordable yet feature-packed option for measuring distances up to 165 feet. This upgraded 2025 model delivers plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, making it reliable for a wide range of applications. With its backlit LCD display and mute mode, you can comfortably use it in dimly lit environments or quiet spaces like libraries or classrooms. The DTAP DT50 includes multiple modes, such as area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations, as well as continuous measurement and addition/subtraction functions. Its rugged design is IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, and the anti-slip rubber body is complemented by a wrist strap for secure handling. However, the build quality feels slightly less premium than higher-priced options, and the battery life could be improved. This device is a great pick for budget-conscious users who still want versatility. It's suitable for home improvement projects, basic construction tasks, or even real estate work. While it may not have the advanced memory storage or robust durability of higher-end models, it provides excellent value for its price point. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Bosch GLM123 Blaze Laser Distance Measure, a compact and portable device that combines accuracy with simplicity. This tool measures up to 100 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch precision and features a user-friendly 2-button design that's perfect for quick measurements. Whether you're rounding numbers or switching between units, its intuitive layout ensures ease of use. The backlit display allows for clear readings in dark environments, and its pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry on the go. Despite its compact size, the GLM123 delivers reliable performance, though it lacks advanced features like memory storage or volume calculations offered by premium models. Additionally, its IP00 rating means it's not suitable for harsh or wet conditions. This laser measure is ideal for users who value portability and simplicity over bells and whistles. It's perfect for indoor tasks like measuring furniture dimensions or small-scale renovation projects. If you need a straightforward device that gets the job done without any fuss, the Bosch GLM123 Blaze is a fantastic choice. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Bosch GLM16540 Blaze Pro, the premium option in our lineup. This laser measure combines top-tier features with professional-grade durability, making it the ultimate choice for construction pros and serious DIYers. With a measuring range of up to 165 feet and plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, it's designed to handle both small and large-scale projects with ease. The Blaze Pro packs multiple advanced features, including area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations, along with real-time measurement mode that adjusts dynamically based on your position. Its memory storage can hold up to 10 measurements, and its IP54 rated design ensures durability in dusty or rainy job site conditions. The backlit display is crisp and easy to read, even in low-light scenarios, and the handy wrist strap adds convenience. While it's the most expensive option at $55.49, the Bosch GLM 16540 Blaze Pro delivers unmatched precision, durability, and versatility. If you're looking for a laser measure that can tackle demanding tasks with reliability, this is the one to choose. Its premium price is justified by its performance and build quality, making it a worthy investment for professionals or avid DIYers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.